Asparagus stuffed chicken breasts are too easy to be this fancy. Butterfly 4 6-ounce boneless chicken breasts by slicing them horizontally from the thin edge, but don't go all the way through. In a bowl, cream together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, a half cup shredded Swiss cheese, 2 teaspoons lemon zest, and a quarter teaspoon each of garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. In another bowl, make a topping by mixing half a cup of panko with 2 teaspoons olive oil and a quarter teaspoon each garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Stir until the crumbs are fully coated. Line a baking sheet with parchment and lay each chicken breast open like a book. You can see that my chicken breasts were big, so I cut each one in half after butterflying. Add 1/4 of the cheese mixture to each breast. Lay 3 trimmed asparagus spears on one side, then fold the chicken close over top. When you slice across the asparagus after baking, you'll see those bright green dots in every piece. Press the breadcrumb mixture on top so it sticks. Bake for 23 to 27 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until the center reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If the breadcrumbs brown too quickly, cover loosely with foil and keep cooking until the chicken is done. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then serve them whole like I did here, or slice across the asparagus for a pretty presentation. Oh, I needed a sharper knife, but look at that oozing cheese. You've got to try this one. Let me know what you think. Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.